Yeah, it's 9 days to go, guys. 9 days before my birthday. It's to realize me na ang bilis ng panahon. You know, I mean, hindi mo namamalayan na tumatanda ka. No, at that age, that tumatanda ka sa kung anong responsibility meron ka. Tumatanda ka kung ano yung pwede mo pang gawin sa buhay mo. I mean, nare-realize mo na kung ano yung worth mo. So, as my 2 years here in Canada, uh, it's too many happen na nilaban ko mag-isa. So, to my birthday, ilalaban at ilalaban pa natin. So, abangan nyo guys yung mga gagawin natin for this 2026. So, it's been a while na nag-vlog ako kasi iniisip ko pa kung ano bang pwede kong gawin, kung ano bang pwede kong content na gawin. So, itutuloy natin yung mga content na naudlot last year. So, yeah, let's do it this 2026, guys. I know maraming gustong mag-vlog ako. May mga gusto naman na sabi nila, stop it, no. It's better been too late. That's, you know that ang pagiging content creator is not about the saying. It's about you. It's about what do you want to share with other people, right? And yeah, editing, yeah, it's too hard. It's take a long time and patience to edit more videos, but for you guys, I will do it for you guys and I do it to myself to improve more. And I know, guys, be ready, guys, because there's a lot of videos and um share with you guys for this 2026, and I will focus that one, not not once, but I will be consistent. I'll be consistent and I will be, we know that consistency is the key. So that's all. And see you in my next vlog, guys. Bye.